Bachelor's of Engineering in JJ College of Engineering with the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I have obtained 70% in my undergraduations. Once after completing my graduation, I just joined QSpiders Vadapalani. In QSpiders, the journey was something different, and it was always memorable to me. Here all the trainers are very friendly and helpful to understand me the concept in a very better way. They have taught me each and every relevant skills from the scratch that helped me to enhance my skills towards software industry. And finally, I have shortlisted and in the Oracle, which is located in the Bangalore. And my joining date is 8th April, and I am very excited to join in the company.